Need some inspiration for what to cook for dinner tonight? I got you covered. This is Monday Meals with Megan, where every Monday I share a new and easy recipe from a cookbook that you can check out from the Madison County Library System. Today, I'm making Buffalo Chicken Enchiladas from the Simply Happy Cookbook by Steve and Kathy Doocy. I think I'm saying that right. This cookbook is the definition of a family cookbook. Steve and Kathy share their tried and true family recipes that they've collected over the years. And Steve and Kathy's kids and other family members also contribute recipes and family stories to this cookbook, which is really sweet. And there are a lot of really yummy dishes in it. You can check it out for free from the Madison County Library System with your library card. Okay, so to the recipe. I've never heard of using buffalo chicken in enchiladas before, and let me tell you, that combination is great. This is 100% a dish that I will be making again. I will say that next time I'm going to add more chicken than it recommends. Honestly, I may just double the recipe so I can have more of it. It was really good. I did skip the blue cheese, but this dish still had a ton of amazing flavor. It didn't take long to make, which is a huge plus on a busy Monday night. Happy eating. Let me know in the comments what your go-to Monday night meal is.